Apologies for delayed 52 circles, but we're back with the prompt bleach using some Quink ink and my favourite Sillet Bang black mould remover. I'm going to start by putting some clean water over the surface of my calico circle, and then on the other side I'm going to just paint it with a generous amount of the Quink ink. I'm not going to paint it right the way across because I want it to fade as it goes into the diluted side that I've made wet. I'm just taking a print of that with some calico just to get rid of the excess ink, but that also makes quite a nice effect in itself. I've dried that off underneath the iron, and then I'm just squirting some of my bleach. You can use Sillet Bang black mould remover or Milton's kind of sterilising fluid, any bleach will do. And then using a cotton bud, I'm dipping that into the bleach and dragging it across the surface. And you can see that that just removes the ink and gives you quite a nice background to work onto. I'm imagining that with some stitch over the top at some point. So have fun, and I look forward to seeing your samples.